Hi everybody. If you haven't seen Oracle Cloud's ability for a line manager to create a survey using generative AI and then distribute it to their direct and indirect reports and then get robust analytics on the results, I feel like you're missing out. Now, you could of course create a survey from scratch manually, but that's just so time consuming. Instead, just like all the other AI Assist features within Oracle Cloud HCM, I'm able to use GenAI as the starting point. I want to create a survey around internal mobility opportunities. How does my team feel? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the AI Assist button. And what it's going to do is it's going to give me the starting point for a survey name, for the instructions, and even a handful of questions that I may want to use in my survey. Now, the way that it generated, maybe I don't necessarily like some of the questions or some of the answers that you could select from within multiple choice. I could go ahead and edit those. This is a good one. What factors contribute to your decision to seek external opportunities? Select all that apply. And if I go in and I press edit, I could see the question. I can mark it required or not required, the type of question it is, how I want to see the results, and then I could see the choices that somebody can select from. I could rename these, I could change them, or I could delete them if they don't apply. In this case, I think it actually looks pretty good. And then I'm going to save the changes so I can preview the survey. Obviously, I went through that fast, but you'd be able to see now I could easily get 80-90% of the way through very, very, very quickly. I'm taken to a preview where I have a really nice graphical banner around my new survey with those instructions. And then I could see all the questions that got asked from the employee's experience now when they log in and get notified of this survey. You could see that the questions are actually really good. What initiatives or programs would you encourage to help pursue in-house opportunities over external ones? Should we offer more formal and informal job shadowing? Really, really good questions here. I could press continue, and then I'm just tasked with when am I pushing this out to the employees? We're going to do it today, and we're going to give them a week to respond. Do I want to send a reminder? Yeah, I'm going to send a reminder one day after it's assigned, and I'm going to remind them 2 more times before the due date. Who is this going out to? I could push it out within my hierarchy to a person, to a part of my organization, or just the direct reports as well. In this example, let's go to just my direct reports actually. And then I could go ahead and press submit. What I'll do is I'll show you the release notes. Since this came out in 24B, I'll give you this link in the chat, but all of the information I went through is all right here in this Create Survey Manager experience. You'll have everything you need to get started, but let's flip over to what it looks like as the employee receiving this survey now. So Simon, he's on my team. He got a notification within the bell icon up here that a new survey was pushed out. Internal mobility, employee pathways. Let's get going. And what it's going to do is it's going to pop up and I'm able to start that survey. Now, for the sake of time in this video, I'm not going to fill in all the answers to the question, but you can get a quick glimpse of just what this survey looks like. And it's exactly like my preview. Open-ended questions that I had, my multiple choice questions as well too, and really, really easy to go ahead and press submit after I've entered my information. So then how does the manager get back to seeing the results here? So here I am back as Robert. I'm able to go right into my journeys and all the journeys information that I've ever used in the application available here, but let's focus just on the survey results. So if I go into activity, I have all the journeys that I pushed out, including my internal mobility surveys. In this example, I'm going to just show you a survey I did earlier around satisfaction in our commute. This one was pushed out to about 32 people. And what you're able to do when you go into the response survey, you're able to see all the analytics on all of your questions. In this one example, it was a pie chart, and you could see visually just how everybody responded and even see a count of all of those folks. What percentage of people actually responded to this question? And for anything that was text-based, I have all that information here as well too. So that's a quick overview of just how simple it is to create a survey using GenAI and Oracle Cloud. Thanks, everyone.